welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. I've taken you to a car boot sale, which I keep saying I'm going to do, and I have today, but it's sadly a fraction of what it's normally like. This is Chiswick car boot, and it's normally huge, but as you can tell the weather isn't great. It's kind of rainy, so a lot of people don't turn up on days like today to sell. But anyway, I'll still walk you around and maybe we'll find some gems. I'm on a mission to find Stephen some more presents for his advent calendar. So yeah, oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, we'll walk around and see what we can see. So yeah, normally this whole field is full of hundreds and hundreds of cars, but this is just the outside today because it's kind of muddy and wet and no one wants to drive on that. And then further on where the school is, the car parks are full of cars as well. So let's go see what they've got. That was slim pickings. I've wanted to show you Chiswick for so long, and then I take you there on the day that's probably the worst I've ever been there. But we're now in Chiswick Park, which is so beautiful, so we'll show you around that instead. That'll be much more interesting. We've still got a few things, don't we, darling?
Yeah.
So there appears to be a big moon in Chiswick Park. We don't really know why.
Where the moon hides during the day.
There was a light show here this time last year, and there were lots of like blow up penguins and stuff and lights, but this just seems to be a one-off. Okay guys, so we have mince pies and walnuts, and we're playing Rummy Cub, and here's Mom! Hello! And here's Dad! Dad, you've got to wave to your fans. And Stephen! Hello! And I'm gonna win, by the way, guys. I just thought I should let you know. So, who won?
You did.
It never happens, but I won! Yay! See, if I say it on Vlogmas, it comes true. So there you go.
Right.
I will also win £1 million tonight.
Right, that would be good. I don't know what on because there's no draw.
No, I will just be sent it.
Yeah.
Some lovely person. Thank you.
Yeah, I was
Okay, next game.
2 off.
So it is time for mince pies, and I know a lot of people are going to go, but you're not meant to have blue cheese when you're pregnant. But if it's cooked through, and mine is, then I can eat it. Yay! And it's also it's pasteurized milk blue cheese as well. So yes, I'm very, very happy that I can have blue cheese on mince pies because I was very worried about that this year. Now Tigger has stolen my spot. Tigger, come on, move up, move up. Is that good, Dad? Dad is watching the golf. Should we persuade him to turn it over? No, I get into the golf occasionally, I'm not going to lie.
No, it's very happy.
It's actually quite good. But, Stephen, you've got your mince pie?
No problem.
Okay, I'm going to eat my mince pie now. Okay, guys, it's time for Hobbs' Advent Calendar. Day 2. I definitely didn't open this before and change your treat because you were sick with the one last night. Ta-da! It's your favourite. Okay, wait. Shake. Marky! Oh, yes, so anyway, so he was sick. Poor little thing last night, but we've given him something that we know he agrees with and we'll get him a new Advent calendar. But I don't think you really mind, do you? No. And we'll find a dog with a stronger stomach to take the other ones. Anyway, guys, it's bedtime for us. We've had such a lovely day with my parents and we've had a lovely roast and we just basically chilled and played games and watched telly and yeah, it was lovely. So I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas. Night night. Bye.